Yes, so I got something for you. So here, you can come get it, and you can open it, and let's see what's inside it. Move it over there so we can, move it over there. Ooh. Okay. Well, why don't you turn and face me, or turn this way so I can have you in the picture. Okay. So yeah. You have gloves, right? Gloves that fit your hands. You don't believe it. You need help? You need help? Okay.
Look at Mommy jump.
Oh, this is all the stuff to go with your wheelbarrow. You have a wheelbarrow like mine now.
Yes, I do.
Yeah. That's a shovel. We have to put the handles on that. So where are the handles? Oh, there. I think they're in the box. They're still in the box. So don't just throw those. Pick that paper up. Don't just throw that trash down and let it blow away. No, no, no. Let me have that. We don't let trash just blow all over the place. Okay, we need to find the handles to go on those. Are there handles in there?
Yes.
Let's see. Yep, they're your handles. Okay, so here. I'm going to let you do it. I'm going to let you do it.
Okay.
Take that. Okay, can you twist that on there? Can you twist that? You know how to twist?
Mm-hmm.
Good girl. You look at you. Look at you. Almost all the way. Good job, Avion. Twist it all the way tight. All the way tight. Okay, hold it. Let me see. I'll finish it. Okay, so now get the handle for the other one. Yep.
What's a shovel?
Yes, it's a shovel. Good girl. No, you do it. You were doing fine. You don't need me to do it. You were doing fine. In fact, I think you did that one all the way. Look how good you did. Look. Oh, there's no space there. You put that one on real well. And you got another handle. There should be a third handle. Wait a minute. We got another handle somewhere.
It's making the other again. No.
Oh, wait a minute. What do you have? 4? You must have 4 tools. Okay, you got that's a rake. You need a handle for your rake. Where's the handle for your rake? Look in the box. I think it's in the box. Those are we'll put the wheelbarrow together. That dog. So now there should be some handles still in the box. Aren't there handles in the box?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There are handles in the box.
The 3 handles.
Yes. Here, you've got that's what I'm saying. You've got 2 more handles.
Not done.
All done, yes. Lay it over there with the other one. Lay it on the ground with your other tools. Here, put this on the ground with your other tools over there. No, here. Take this and lay it down over there with those. Turn that the other way so the points aren't sticking up. Looky here. See this right here?
Mm-hmm.
This is sharp. Turn that over so it doesn't poke somebody. There you go. Good girl. Okay, now we have one more handle to do. That handle goes on. This is that's a hoe. Yeah, so you take that. Oh, well, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. All right. So do your thing, girl. That went on pretty easily. Okay, so put that down over there. Lay that down with the other ones. All right, so let's get your wheel for your wheelbarrow. Okay, we got to put the... Oh, go ahead, do your thing. Okay, yep, you can take your other ones out. Good girl. Turn that over so those points don't stick up. Turn that over. Lay it down the other way. Oh, there you go. Good girl. All right. Let's see. How do we put your wheelbarrow together? All right. You've got the legs to your wheelbarrow. Okay. Well, how'd you know that's where they went? Look at you.
I can't do it.
Yeah, I think you can. You need help? But you did good. Where's the other one? Where's the other leg?
I think it's in the box.
Well, check.
You can check them.
Yeah, if you think it's in the box, check.
Look. Look, it's in the box.
It's in the box.
Come on. I need help.
Push. Push hard.
Please help me.
Yes, I can help you. You did good. Okay, so we got to put the handles. Nope, you got to put the handles on your wheelbarrow.
You got this.
Yep, those are your handles. Yes, ma'am. Push. I'll hold this. Push. Good girl. Look at you, girl. I'm scared of you.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, you got it almost all the way in. I'll push it the rest of the way.
Please help me.
Well, I think, okay, it's between your legs. Let's take it from between your legs. Now do it. Now try it. Now that's not, now you're not sitting on it. Push.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, you can. Push. You did it the first time. Push.
I can't do this.
I'll get some dishwashing liquid. Okay, so let's get your wheel on. And let's see how to get the wheel on. Let's see.
Right here.
Huh?
It's right here.
Yeah, now let's figure out which way it goes on.
Right here.
No, it goes up here. It goes up here and let's see. It, I think, goes like that. Let me see.
I need to put dirt in there.
Huh?
I need to put dirt in there.
Put dirt in there? Not, well, we got to get the wheel on it first.
Okay.
All right, looks like we got it. Okay.
Is it raining?
Yes, it's raining. Yes, it's raining. Put your tools inside your house. Pick those up and set them in there.
I can't be safe in my house.
Yes, it'll be safe in your house. Yeah, take all of that in there.
I can't run it.
Yeah, those are metal. They're not plastic. That's good.